Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. How are you? I want to introduce myself. My name is Inola Tasya. I'm 31 years old. I'm from Indonesia. My height is 160 centimeter. My weight is 70 kilogram. I'm Christian. My last education is senior high school. I am divorced. I have one daughter. I have 4 years work experience in Indonesia, cleaning the house, sweeping, mopping, cooking, laundry, ironing, and take care of baby. I can take care of children, baby, and elderly. I can cook stir-fry vegetable, soup, steamed fish, steamed chicken, and other. I can go to market for buying groceries. I can eat pork. I'm not scared of dog. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn more money to support my family and myself too. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. See you in Hong Kong. Bye-bye.